Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got this beautiful Porsche Carrera T, 911 Carrera T. This casting is by Hotwheels, and as you can see, it's new for 2026. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the 911 Carrera T out of its box, and first thing you'll notice is this grey paint with black roof, which looks really nice. It does come with this blacked out headlamps. I don't think the actual one does that. Maybe, I'm not sure. You do get a Porsche badge in the front, again good, which is a good detail. Lower grille, it's blacked out. So good details in the front. You also get windshield wipers, both the mirrors, so it's good to have. You can also see the fuel filler cap on the passenger side. If you don't know, Porsches are rear engine. Not all Porsches, but 911 are rear engine. So fuel tank is there. Now let's move to the driver's side. Onto the driver's side, as I said before, the grey paint looks really nice. Come with the black accent on the roof, so does the wheels. So the grey black wheel combo looks really good too, wheel and paint combo. There's no glass in here, so if you tilt a bit you can see the interior, which is again finished in black. Unlike other Porsches which Hot Wheels did before, this one reads Hot Wheels here, not Porsche. I've never seen that on a Porsche before. Maybe it's a Hot Wheels edition, that's why. It does look nice. The paint is really good. Let's move to the back. So good details in the back too. You can see you've got the tail lamp, you've got the 911 Carrera T badge, number plate which is FPY86. You've got the twin exhaust, lower diffuser, and even the wind, you have the vents here in the rear window for the engine. So good details there too. This is how the passenger side looks. As I said before, fuel filler is on this side. I don't know how much you can see the interior, but it has got some decent details. You can see racing seats. It does look good. Not like completely racing, but racing inspired seats. Sporty seats, I would say. This is how it looks from the bottom. Now let's come to overall. So overall it looks really nice. One thing that I would have loved better than these black headlamps, if those were like painted ones, which some of the recent Porsches did get, and most of the matchbox Porsches do get. Those look really good. But again, I'm not really, it doesn't really look out of place either. I do like how it has detailed tail lamp and all the other details. So should you get one? I think yes, because it's nicely detailed for a main line. You don't always get that many details on the main line, and paint looks good. And obviously it's new for 2026, so if you can find one, you should get one. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.